The reason I decided to go with XL Roofing kind of starts with, a few bids that I had received from other companies prior to having XL come out. Once I met Ronnie and Brock, it was very evident that they weren't trying to sell me. More so they were there to try and help. And that was a big difference between, my initial meeting with XL as opposed to some other companies. After that, I received the estimate, and with the value that I could see XL bringing along with their competitive price, it was just a no-brainer. If I were to rate my experience with XL 1 to 10, I would ask if I could rate any higher than 10. It was a great experience. It was the first time I had replaced a roof on any of my houses, and I wasn't exactly sure what I was getting myself into, but it was very easygoing working with XL, and I definitely give them a 10 out of 10. I would be more than happy to recommend XL to any family or friends. I'm a big fan of due diligence, so I would also suggest that they go out and receive other bids and just see what the market's looking like, but to make sure that XL is a part of that list when they're seeking a company to work with.